second. Watch where he drives to the basket. And takes a hard smack. That one didn't appear, but he grabbed it momentarily. And then when he came out for warm-ups before the third quarter, just kind of flexing the hand with the fingers a little bit, so obviously bothering another game.
Yeah, get over here and come watch this game. Y'all better get up off him.
Right wrist on the rim.
And as far as ball, that's no foul rule.
Oh!
Steal.
What the?
Both ends has been a terror. And James with the finish. Once again, the turnovers leading to dunks down the other end. 8 straight points to begin the third.
You couldn't have started better if you're Miami or worse if you're Dallas. This is just very poor basketball by Dallas right now.
Steve Reyes.
They don't get it back.
Bisky shot there. Gets him down.
They don't get it back.
Outstanding footwork. Catching the basketball. Jab step. Get the defender on the
trust the Mavericks. You have to trust the Mavericks. Who you want? Who you going for? Right here. You want the Wayne Wade because she got your daddy name.
Looks up, shot back and fire.
Okay.
Now 2. Gains the drive. 24-second violation. On the way to 15. Wayne Wade and LeBron James. Joel Anthony is on the floor. You got to help off of him. Don't even guard him. Guard LeBron James, Dwayne Wade with 2 guys and 4 Joel Anthony to be a scorer. Ray gets it inside. Chandler.
Foul. There's no foul.
Chandler will go to the line. A pretty physical game, including Chris Bosh. I think a poke in the eye. Put to the ground for a minute or so. But when I thought Bosh is talking about Mark.
Yeah, they're in there, they're not.
Bosh started off slowly. A couple of shots here to begin the third. Chandler way short on the free throw. This was the player early in the game. Basic kid trying to get the ball and inadvertently pokes him in the eye. But he didn't miss any time. Came right back out. Chandler 1 for 2. Dallas has missed 5 free throws. Excellent free throw shooting team. Well, a little off the mark here tonight. 10-point game. About 3 minutes gone by here in the third.
I like what JJ Barrera is doing.
Picking up.
Extending the defense and forcing them uncharacteristic turnover. That's a great job of setting the tone as a point guard.
As they're he started early, turned over a few times and done a better job protecting the ball. That was a key to their comeback in game 2.
Get off this computer!
Balance won't go. Rebound Wade. Rebound for Wade.
Get off his computer. You can't pay for that.
He's on Wade. There's a go for the big pair.
Get over here and watch this basketball game with your mama.
There's a crossover. Shot blocked by Chandler and then a foul on Wade.
Son of a
Excellent defense for Tyson Chandler.
Why did they do that?
That's 3 fouls now on Dwayne Wade.
You know, not just great defense by Tyson Chandler, but also Jason Kidd initially forcing him to Tyson Chandler. Once again, Chandler ignores Joe Anthony rolling, puts himself in position to block the shot attempt by Wade.
2 excellent defensive players. T. Dallas, a little underrated defensive defense was about to.
Baby.
Eric Shepard stopped the look
Who's
down.
that baby?
Bibby picks up his 3rd foul.
You want me?
3 team fouls for the Heat already. Less than 4 minutes into the third.
Huh?
Correa got turned up coming over the 3. And it's going to be Miami ball. Carlisle's team down by as many as 14 in the first half. Wade calling for it.
so many more possessions on the wing tonight instead of just one individual basketball.
Knocks it out of his hand, shot clock down 5. Chandler all over Bush.
All of them have something to do with fake.
Here comes Grove.
See his team, you know?
The kid for the break. Lead up to 7, timeout Miami. Dallas answers with a 6-0 run of their own. Second three-pointer of the night for Jason Kidd. Dallas plays their best. Good transition for good extra pass for Kidd. And boy, has he improved as a shooter throughout his career. Better form, just bounce it right down the middle to cut it to 7.
ESPN's presentation of the 2011 NBA Finals on ABC. Brought to you by Zookeeper in theaters July 8th and Best Buy. Get set up just right for summer. Only at Best Buy.
How can teachers inspire kids today?
7th grade is not your moment.
8th grade will be better.
Probably not.
With motivation.
Textbook.
From the world's weirdest textbook. With understanding. Championship.
Who has the answer to my question?
Maybe we should consider doing something else. Anything else. Bad teacher. To see how bad it gets, go where YouABadTeacher.com. Read it all.
Hey, America! It's summer! I just think other was the number one teacher. You can't say that. Whatever you're thinking of doing this year, I'll help you find the perfect device to make it better. We'll set it up, get you streaming, and even show you how to use it. Which means you'll spend less time fiddling with it and more time using it.
Make summer better with great prices on the best devices. Only at Best Buy. The next generation, 201 horsepower Civic SI. To each their own. Only from Honda. At Goodyear, everything we learned making tires for all of the stunt drivers inspires what we roll into yours. Refined handling for a smooth ride. Goodyear, more driven. Summer is heating up. Get ready for live action. Oh man, just built it. Get it on Blu-ray combo back at DVD Troops at on disc. Scandal. Jealousy. Gossip.
That's Harley.
Telework.
Overwork. That's a teardown.
Everything's bigger and better in Texas. GCB coming to ABC.
Our fans give us so much. They really support us.
They're the reason why we're playing just the way that they support us. They're here every night, back, for basketball, just so right around here. The devotion that we get from our fans, it's quite amazing. Fans do so much for us and supporting us. They come out every night and cheer it out as they can.
There's a tremendous love for our fans. The love that the players have for their fans is huge.
We owe these fans and they deserve a lot from us. It's just our way of saying thank you.
Third quarter in Dallas, Miami up by 7. Why go back to the end of the first quarter? Because we got a further explanation. Watch Chalmers comes in. He had his foot in the front court, but he still had part of his foot touching the line, which meant that he still was in the backcourt. So that should have been a backcourt violation. He hadn't fully established front court position only because the heel was on the line. If the heel was on the chair and his toe was in the front court, it would have been fine. The officials did not see it that way. It was such a close bang-bang call, but that should have been a backcourt violation. And that's an important 3 points. Good. Pull-up off the side of the rim.
Nowitzki the rebound. Dallas has turned it around nicely after that initial hit.
Bravo.
The third. Nowitzki, another tray. 9 straight points, and it's back to 4.
And a poor job by Chris Bosh, allowing Dirk Nowitzki to catch and shoot well. You got to push up, hold the air space, and force him to be a driver. He's a knockdown shooter.
Even from 3-point range, Wade once again gets to the basket. He has been sensational getting into the goal.
And most teams don't like to help off the corner because it's the easiest three-point shot. But on Dwayne Wade, you have to help.
Out of him.
Poked away. Nowitzki upset though he got hit. Wade looking. Hayes fires the corner to Nowitzki. Dallas has really picked up their defense. Perimeter at least. Wade gets it out to James. James puts up a 3. That won't go. Rebound Berea. Smallest guy in the court. Comes out on back. Berea tied down. Bibby's not pleased with that call. Meanwhile, earlier tonight, a special award, the Chuck Daly Lifetime Achievement Award was announced. Lenny Wilkins, the Hall of Fame coach and player receiving. Michael Goldberg handing the award for a lifetime achievement in the coaching profession named after the late great Chuck Daly.
Well deserved. Lenny Wilkins, Brooklyn's old Lenny Wilkins, Boys and Girls High School, one of the all-time great players in the history of this game. Former coach of mine with the Toronto Raptors. Well done.
And there he is, sitting next to our man Brian McIntyre, who, by the way, is going to go into the Hall of Fame this summer. He got the John Budd Lifetime Achievement Award for contributions to the game of basketball. Brian McIntyre was 30 years working in the NBA office.
What are y'all doing?
Congratulations. Jamal Caruso. There's LeBron James. Call for his second foul. And they are in the penalty with 5:45 remaining. Nowitzki will go to the line. Nowitzki's hit his last 29 consecutive free throws. He had a 39 consecutive streak earlier in the playoffs.
Now he lost it.
Yeah, that continues.
Caught up.
Well, LeBron James, they're supposed to upset,
What you tried to do?
thinking it wasn't a foul, but LeBron James clearly grabbed the right elbow of Dirk Nowitzki. No question about it.
Nowitzki has now taken 158 free throws in the playoffs. He's missed 10.
That is just big as incredible. Are you ready yet to say you were outstanding? Doesn't free throw contest?
No chance, I'm telling you. Stanley, that would be a bad day for him to miss 10 out of 158.
Bosh the drive. Good help defense, but Joe Taylor got it. Anthony Shuffle goes still alive. Taylor had it, tried to save it. And Berea comes up with it. Great hustle from the Mavericks. Great interior defense from Dallas. Nowitzki against Wade. Off balance. It's good. What a shot from Nowitzki. And it's a 2-point game. The 2 run. James trying to quiet the crowd. Taylor the rebound. Kidd ahead to Marion. Tie it in.
That is going wild.
Science, yeah. Lord, I've been dreaming about the fate. I want it all. I wanna shine. I wanna ball. Man, I'm on it. I'm on it.
In the NBA, to win, it takes team. BBVA Compass will help you plan ahead and find a banking solution that works for you. Teamwork works in basketball and in banking. BBVA, the official bank of the NBA.